they're all very, very focused on how can I make something better? And I think that's what makes students in a public administration program different from others. Hello, my name's Cynthia Anger. I am the program chair for the Master of Public Administration program at Post University. Here's the beautiful thing about a master's degree in public administration. It is what I consider to be an umbrella degree. That is, it's versatile, it's multidisciplinary. So if you're coming to the program with a degree in criminal justice, what you're typically saying is you're looking to advance within a law enforcement agency. And a master's in public administration gives you those higher level skills to be able to advance through those organizations. Every faculty member is available to every student by phone, text, email, whatever method works for that student. We want to help them work through issues. We want them to develop their critical thinking skills so that they can go back to work or enter the work field or wherever they happen to be in their career trajectory. The idea of teaching is not just in a very dictatorial fashion, it's to help them develop into the careers they want to go. And what I'm proud of is what my students do when they graduate from my program.